Welcome to Space Wonders 319, where we unveil the mysteries of AI and NASA's aviation research. Immerse yourself in the future as artificial intelligence takes flight. With groundbreaking innovations, fasten your seatbelt. It's time to soar beyond imagination.
NASA's work to revolutionize the future of aviation often starts with a what if. What if we can fly safer, faster, longer? At NASA, our Convergent Aeronautics Solutions team, or CAS, apply innovation and curiosity to explore the what ifs.
I'm James Villarubia, and my what ifs are centered around artificial intelligence, or AI. I joined NASA as a Presidential Innovation Fellow. The fellowship matches government agencies with industry experts who serve as strategic advisors. As a fellow, I'm part of a team of scientists and engineers helping integrate AI into NASA's research. In simple terms, AI is a complex computer program. We take vast volumes of information, train our AI to understand it, and then use the AI to reveal connections in the data we couldn't see before. Those new connections help us expand our understanding and imagination. Our current work is all about asking our AI models to write their own what-ifs. A really good story can help inspire our engineers to build something new, to see a problem in a new way, and help challenge our assumptions about how advances in aviation might impact humankind. For example, what if emerging aviation technologies can be applied to global problems like food waste, healthcare, or climate change? Right now, we're using AI to help imagine the future of drone-delivered medicine, expand medical access to rural areas, and bring aviation support to disaster zones. We're also using AI to imagine new ways to reduce aviation's impact on the environment, like cleaning the air as we fly. To reach a better future, we have to first imagine it, and our AI tools help us imagine more than we ever could before.
Artificial intelligence research is supported by CAS. To learn more about artificial intelligence and other CAS research projects, visit www.nasa.gov/CAS or scan the QR code.
Thanks for joining Space Wonders 319. If you enjoyed our space journey, hit subscribe, like, and share. Tell us what you think in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts. Until our next adventure, keep exploring Space Wonders 319.